Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking the taskbar so items can move freely. This lets you create space. Next, make an empty folder and add it as a new toolbar via right-click Toolbar's New Toolbar. Once added, hide its title and text so it becomes an invisible spacer. You're doing this because the toolbar acts like a movable bucket that holds space. By adjusting it, you'll shift existing icons to the center without installing extra software. Now adjust positions. Drag the dotted handle of your invisible toolbar left of the system icons. Once it's left, drag the other dotted divider between the toolbar and app icons so the app icons shift toward the middle. Make micro adjustments until icons visually align at center. Use multiple small moves for precision. When satisfied, relock the taskbar so nothing shifts. This manual spacer method gives center. Finish by confirming no labels or folder names show, and then lock the taskbar again. If icons jump when opening windows or after reboot, simply unlock, nudge the spacer slightly, and relock. The slight readjustment compensates for layout resets. If you prefer an automatic solution or smoother animation, consider Taskbar X. Otherwise, the manual spacer is reliable and reversible. One troubleshooting tip. If icon grouping or system updates break alignment, repeat the small nudge and relock sequence to restore center placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.